Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to change font of your heading, right? So as you can see here, I am creating a new web page of my website using Elementor, and I have just added a section and added heading widget in that particular section. Right now I just want to change the font of my heading. So for that you need to edit your heading. So to edit the heading, you just need to move your cursor over the heading, and while you move the cursor over the heading, you will see a pen icon in the top right corner. You just need to click on that to edit the heading, and in the left side toolbar you will find three kinds of settings like content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. You need to move to the style settings, right? So we are into the style settings tab, and here in the heading you can see a typography option over there. You just need to click on the pen icon in the front of the typography, and then you can simply change the family of the font, right? So I'm just changing the family of the font. As you can see, lots of fonts are there. So whatever the font you like most, you can simply select that, and you can simply change the font of your heading, right? So as you can see, the font of our heading is getting changed, right? So this is how you can simply change the font of your heading in Elementor. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I've added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.